Hey guys, in today's video you will be checking out some of the best Halloween home and decors available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 5 we have Obressa Swishing Ball Halloween Light. This curtain lights comes with bulb design, definitely a great decorations for you to illuminate your home and create a warm, romantic and magical atmosphere. It is easy to install and use, just need you to spread the line and hang it where you want. At number 4 we have our warm Halloween decorations. The Halloween Ghost Decor measure 5.5 feet by 3.1 feet by 0.4 feet. That's hanging it at your porch, posable arms. And a long gray flowing robe are very scary under the breeze. There is a hangable rope on the head and the arm is foldable for easy storage for next Halloween. At number 3 we have Lanzian Halloween Decorations. This horror picture frame is designed for Halloween decoration. The haunted and spooky look will make your family and friends immersed in a terrifying and surprising atmosphere. At number 2 we have Vagabond Halloween Decor. This hand-blown Italian glass comes with handcrafted solid lead-free pewter. At number 1 we have DWK Halloween Decor. This beautifully sculpted heart-shaped wall sculpture features two skeleton lovers in an eternal embrace. That's surrounded by a wreath of gothic black roses. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Halloween home and decor for your need.